Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon, egg, fried rice. And these are the ingredients you need. 1 whole scallion, 1 onion, 3 eggs. I have 3 slices of bacon, 4 cups of rice, oil, soy sauce, and salt. The onion is diced. Dice the green onion. Save some for garnish, the green parts. This one can be cooked. I stack my bacon and now I'm going to cut it into little pieces. I'm cooking in medium heat. My pan is hot. Putting in the bacon. I don't leave any oil because it's fat coming out from the bacon. And fry it to golden brown. Okay, it's golden brown now, so it's done. So I'm going to put aside. So I'm going to, the fat leaving behind, I'm going to cook the onion. And the white part of the green onion. Leave some onion behind for garnish. Into a little, the smell comes in. I can smell the aroma from the onion that it's coming out. So now I'm going to put in the rice. By the way, this is my leftover rice, okay? But you can use fresh one too, but I prefer overnight rice. It's much easier to pan fry. It's just cooked until it's hot, because right now it's cold. Okay, my rice is hot. Like you can see the steam. Now I'm going to put aside, still heating up the rice. And now I'm going to cook the egg. Like scrambled eggs. Now it's like scrambled egg. So now I'm going to mix it with the rice. I'm adding like a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of soy sauce. Now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to add in the bacon. And shut off the stove and it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.